Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What are my kings and queens? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kings23 Kicks back in the building. I'm gonna drop another one for y'all, man. Hey, before we get started, I need everybody to smash that thumbs up button. Even if you just came across my video or by happenstance, hey, if you're not part of the kingdom, what you waiting on, man? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all videos that I drop, man. You know what I'm saying? Be a part of the kingdom. And everybody that's back, welcome back to the kingdom. Y'all know what today is, man. It's release day Saturday. So I went ahead and drove to San Antonio because they're doing reservations. Now, why they doing reservations on some places and why they didn't for this shoe, I have no idea. So y'all know my size is size 12, which was one of the kind of difficult sizes to get, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and made the reservation, and I'm just here to pick them up. Now, I know this is not for everybody. There's a lot of people that's probably going to pass on this shoe because it is a first come, first serve. It is an all black Jordan. But, you know, I had to go ahead and grab these daggone Satin ones. Just because, man, you know what I'm saying? I like ones. So we about to go in here, go grab these things, and then I'm going to give you my review and my thoughts and opinions on it, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all going to grab these things today, man. Or is this one of these ones that y'all pass on? I don't know. We're going to see. But you know what? Matter of fact, let's see if we got to do a fit check, man. We got to get the fit check. Around, so you know, it's just an orange tee, and get it, and I just unds these things today, man. So I had to unds these things. Finna fall up in here and go see what's going on in the mall. You know, not only am I gonna grab these shoes, you know, I like going to different malls and doing things, so we're gonna see what these other stores got, what kind of heat they're working with. All right, so y'all ride with your boy. So we're going into the House of Hoops. House of Hoops in Fort Lauderdale. So check them out. So y'all already know, bag is secure from the House of Hoops. So I'll do some next stop. I just left out of there. Y'all know, going to one of my favorite places, the Shoe Palace. That is Club Shoe Palace. So we're about to see what else is going on around here. You gotta get the aunties. As I said, man, you know I'm up in the mall. I done ran into this man. What's your name?
My name's Nick, man.
Nick walked by me with some Blue to Gray tone. Y'all already know, Kingdom, that I struck out on them shoes. I actually struck out on all of the Fearless except for the Fearless one. So I wasn't able to get the Melian Shinies, the Mason Chateaus, which is one of the ones I actually really wanted. And I wanted the Chinese New Year's too. But y'all know how I feel about paying resale, but at the same time, I do want those. Told you, Jordan Brand is going to make y'all respect the mid. Yeah. But, hey, man, y'all check these boys out. MGK. Go sit up here with your friends on. You want to clean the shoes up?
I can. I have my
And y'all make sure y'all come get that MGK MVP. Y'all see that cleaning product is the bomb. They have several different kinds. You have that All-Star, that Clean Up Protect, and then you have that MVP. Premium Shoe Kit. I'll make sure y'all come check them out, man. San Antonio. Get me? North Star Mall. So, Sloski's is going to be the spot. All right, everybody. Back in the castle. From the House of Hoops, went down to San Antonio, grabbed these. And I know I could have grabbed these closer in Austin, but they did a reservation or whatever, and I just wanted to go to San Antonio Mall. Hey, don't judge me. But anyway, getting straight to it, y'all already know it's Air Jordan 1 Black Satin. I know a lot of people was like, hey, slept on these, didn't know these was coming out. Me, I just had to get them. I wanted to get them. Wasn't able to grab none of the other satin Jordan ones, but for these, I did want to grab these, man. I know they're not like the satin shattered backboards and stuff like that, but excuse me, this is a satin shoe, and it's an all-black shoe, predominantly black, that I wanted to grab because I felt like it's just gonna be live like that. So here you have it. We pulled them out, and pretty much they still sitting in stores. It is what it is. It's okay, but I like the fact that these are predominantly black, like I was saying, and you do have these red shoestrings. Also, I think these did come with some, yes, they did come with some extra laces. So you do have a set of black laces, and I like the shoe. I mean, it's almost kind of like, it's not like a black satin, but it almost looks like a little shadow type. It's like a black shadow, you know what I'm saying? So in the floorboard, you have the black floor, the red Nike Air Off in it, red Wings logo, and a set of red laces that go with that. Of course, you have that nylon tongue. And I don't know about you guys. Y'all comment down below. What do y'all think about the leather tab on the tongue? For me, I like the leather tabs when they put it on the tongue. This is leather. I like the leather ones. But I know some people, they rather have the nylon one that comes with it. Now this one doesn't have the stamps or anything on the back. And the sizing tag is pulled in on the side here, which is on the side here. But looking at the toe box, I know a lot of people don't like the satin because they say they crease more. And the satin on it is pretty good, it's pretty smooth. But the thing is, I like to rock my stock. So at some point it's gonna crease. Every shoe is gonna crease. Now, is it creasing gonna be bad? Is it gonna be moderate? I'm just gonna say it really just kind of depends on how you wear your shoes. For me, myself, like I say, I like to ride my stock, and I'm gonna wear the shoe. And I'm not gonna say I beat my shoes to death, because that's absolutely not true at all. You know what I'm saying? There is a level of respect to the shoe, but I like the shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? So around the toe box, you know, you have the leather, and going into the upper, the Nike check is leather, but the side panel on the upper is going to be satin. All of this is satin right in here, and the ankle collar, the flex part, that's going to be satin, and the ankle collar up here is satin. So it's pretty smooth, man. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty sturdy. I like the fact that they did do a white midsole versus all black midsole, because I think that would have been a little bit too much. The white midsole does make it pop. However, I don't think these would have looked bad had these had a red midsole with the black bottom outsole. I think that would have been good, because then it would have been like black and red. I don't know. Y'all comment down below what you think. If it had a red midsole, how would that make it pop? So, or even some white shoestrings. I think some white shoestrings in this, some white laces in here would definitely make this pop. You know what I'm saying? So there's different ways that you can dress this up and fit it out. You know what I'm saying? So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Did you guys grab these or not? I do have the Satin 5s. I don't mind the satin. You know what I'm saying? So definitely gonna protect these with some sneaker water stain repellent. Because you know, we do not want the satin to at least get no stains or anything like that. So I like these, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. Did you grab these or you waiting on something else? Oh, y'all make sure that you guys check out MGK. Shoe MGK. These guys are pretty good. They're pretty smooth. As you've seen in the video earlier, they was giving an example of cleaning old dude's breads. They gave me the Traveler. So this is a Traveler pack. So always respect your shoes. This is a premium shoe kit. The Traveler comes with the cleaner and conditioner, the MGK brush, and a cleaning cloth. So something that you can take with you when you're on the move. Go ahead and grab one of these. That way you know you can clean your kicks while you're on the move, on the go, when you're out of town. Because you know you always want to make sure that you keep your kicks clean. Just saying. But shout out to my man's MGK. Y'all make sure that y'all check these boys out, man. Now, MGK, you can actually find these boys in the North Star Mall. At the little kiosk off in the middle of the thing. Y'all go check these people out, man. Got some real good products there. So shouts out to them. And as I always say, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And if you're just getting into my channel, you just subscribe to my channel, welcome to the kingdom. We're gonna grow the kingdom. We're going strong. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 500K. And we're gonna make sure that we're gonna hit that this month. Because moving forward, our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers and the sky's the limit. You know what I'm saying? So we're growing the kingdom. I appreciate y'all guys tuning in to the kingdom. And let's get it in. You know what I'm saying? So as I always like to end my videos, to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Always stressing me. Coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.